Welcome back. This is Danielle from Explore Yourself Natural. In today's video, we are making a new soap for the spring collection. It's already out now, and it's called Tangled Vines and Midnight Bloom Soap. So it is just a plain soap. It's colored in red clay, I believe, red or pink clay. It has some poppy seeds in it. And then it's scented with bergamot, tangerine, black pepper, patchouli, and a little bit of rose geranium. It smells amazing. There's just like a touch of the black pepper and the rose. It just kind of balances it out. So it's not really a scent you don't really smell like a floral or a black pepper. It kind of just balances everything out. But it's a really nice, fresh scent. I think the citrus definitely is like the first thing you smell. And then you get like a little bit of like the patchouli base. So those are the main components of the soap itself. So come along, let's see how it turns out. I hope you enjoyed the making of Tangled Vines and Midnight Bloom soap. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any recommendations on the design, if you think I could have done it a little bit differently or better, I love to hear feedback. I will see you in the next video. Bye.